let's go one by one. So first thing is design. When you click on the design, so there are many templates. So this bar is basically templates. Okay. It keeps on coming for you guys. Yeah? Whatever template. You can search the template as well. For example, let's say social yoga. Search yoga. Beautiful templates. And just click on this, okay, and you can edit anything. You can click on this element, change it, place it here. This let it be a logo. You can place it here. You can change it. Relax and rejuvenate. Sorry for the spelling, guys. I'm just correcting it. And I don't like this font. Let me change it. I'll explain in detail, but now what we can done for a template, I'm just going in the flow. Okay. Okay. So let me change the font. Let me go to elegant. I spend a lot of time in researching on the font. I need font and color to be perfect. Yeah. And most important thing which I note in font is readability. I want my font to be very readable. It should not be confusing. Just for it is modern, just for the sake it is modern, and it is what do you call? It looks nice. I never use it. I just check whether I can it is readable or not. Whether people, because ultimately the primary purpose of writing something is making sure that people read it, right? Yeah. So I am. Okay, now let me duplicate this element. Place it over here. Layer. Send to back. Yes. And let me place it like this. Of course, I'll change the color. I'll make it a mild one. Okay. And this I'll make it a bit darker. Right. And this color, let me change it. Darker tone of this, a slight darker tone of this. Then I will let my logo be in this color. And let me add one more text. Hashtag happy yoga day. I believe everything is in caps. Yes, so click on this, we'll remove the caps. And I want a nice, yes, this font looks much better. No, doesn't look good. Yes, it is small and it is readable. Yes. Happy yoga day. And yes, let me. This doesn't fit. I don't want this to be carried. And okay. So what I have done is I have just taken some template. So I'm just adding as just for comparison. So this is what initially I modified it totally into some new template. Yeah. So this is how you can pick a template and modify it accordingly. Okay. So this is how the design panel will be helpful, right?